What's up guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we're doing a really cool little media room. It's not a huge room, but I tell you what, the sound in here is going to be incredible. So let me show you real quick of what we're doing. There used to be a center section right here, and what we've done is they removed this and we're gonna put an arm mount with a 75-inch Samsung Q60T in there, and it's going to be on, like I said, an arm, so it'll overlap these sides, so it'll look real nice, covering this whole space. We'll run all the wires nice and clean inside the wall. This is just what we're starting with. And then for these front speakers, we're going with the KEF T301s, and what we're going to do is try to hide these as best as possible. We got a nice black cabinet, so Ronnie actually had a great idea. And we're gonna have tucked in here and center this section on this back wall. So, and then they'll have little knickknacks and stuff going front. So nice and clean, but yet have great sound. And then we got this really cool Sanus soundbar mount. So we're gonna mount this underneath the TV, so then we can have a center channel properly placed flush underneath the TV. So it'll be just like that. So, guys, when you're watching movies, center channel is really important. So all the dialogue, all the voices come out. So when you're sitting right in front and people are talking, you want them to come right at you. Proper placement right there. I see a lot of you guys put center channels way up there. Wrong. So anyway, and then we got, of course, some KEF CI160 ERs. Super cool. We got a plastic paint shield on there. So that's going to go up in the ceiling right over there for the rears. And then we have a Denon receiver coming in later this afternoon to do the surround sound, and of course surge protection. We got watt box. So I think we're going to have a cable box and an X box be the sources. And to control everything, last but not least, we have a universal MX990. Very simple control, on, off, cable, volume up and down, that sort of thing. So gotta stay tuned. Oh, forgot one thing. Subwoofer. Can't forget the sub, because you got to boom, you got to have the bass. That's where all the excitement happens on the movies and such. So we got a Klipsch here. This is the R100, so we'll have it placed over here in the corner. And I think that should be it for the audio, but we got lots of work to do. Got to run these speakers and see when it's done and check it out.
Hey guys, it's Ronnie. This project that you're here seeing in this video is not complete, so we'll show you a finished video when it is complete. The homeowner is going to be painting and doing a little bit more stuff to finish up the room, and then we'll get to go back and we'll take a finished video and post that for you. Remember to like and subscribe down below. Have a great choice day.